Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very simple and a very quick recipe out of tofu and chilies. So you got it, it is tofu chili. Very delicious and very nutritious. You can make this at home in hardly 4 to 5 minutes, right from prep to cooking. Let's get started to make this delicious dish. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is, in my pot first I'm going to add some oil. So once the oil heats up, I'm then going to add my next ingredient. I'm going to add now a little bit of garlic. Then I'm going to quickly add green chili and onions. Give it a good old mix. All that you have now is just garlic, green chili and onion. Now the green chili that I've used is more or less like capsicum, which is non-spicy. I'm also going to be adding a little bit more spicy chilies to it, but a little later on. Once the onions have a little bit cooked, next I'm going to add is black bean sauce. I'm using black bean sauce. Okay. I'm just going to be using about a teaspoon of black bean sauce and mixing it. Once you get the aroma, then I'm going to add my next ingredient. Soybean and the chilies have now become so aromatic. Next I'm going to add is the tofu. I'm simply going to just cut them into bite-sized pieces and put them. I'm going to mix them nicely. Let's season it now. In order to season the tofu, I'm going to put light soy, 1 teaspoon, not too much, 1 teaspoon of dark soy, and give it a mix. If you like it darker, you can add some more soy, dark soy. And finally I'm going to add is my chicken seasoning. Half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, because the soy sauce and the black bean sauce was already salty. I like a little bit more color, so I'm going to add a little bit of dark soy, 1 teaspoon of dark soy more. And I'm going to now mix it up well. how lovely it looks now. Now finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to add dark green chilies, which are a little bit spicy, so that I get nice lovely spicy taste to my tofu. I'm going to snap it with my fingers, with my scissors, sorry, and mix this nicely. Another minute or so and the dish is done now. Just letting the green chilies saute a little bit and to cook a little bit. And finally I'm going to garnish this with now green onions. Again I'm going to cut it with my scissor finely. Alright then, there you go. My tofu chili is done. Look how delicious and quick it is. It hardly took me about 3 to 4 minutes, not only to prepare, just to cook it as well. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and put a comment. And also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that you will be receiving on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. Very easy to make and delicious to eat and quick. That's more important for people who have no time to cook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.